Hi students, today I am going to talk about your confidence. So your confidence must be so enough that you should attempt, you are able to carry yourself and attempt every questions without doubt. It's not one night that you can read everything, but it is the something you read every day that will add up, and the way it will give you the way to score nice in the examination. So your teacher believes in you, parents believes in you, and most importantly you have to believe in yourself. So you have to walk into the exam hall with confidence and write what you know calmly, and when you come out, probably say that you have done your best. So that is the confidence you should have when you come out of the exam hall, that you should, whoever asking you how was your exams, you should be able to do to say that you have done, you gave your best. So if you have that confidence when coming out of the exam hall, for that you have to work hard, right? At the same confident level you have to enter into the exam hall. So you will be carrying the hall ticket, water bottle, writing materials, writing pad and everything. At the same time you have to carry the most important thing, confident with you. Clear? Yes. So it is the thing which you should carry yourself. You might be asking yourself, you might be experienced these ones and have doubt in your mind. So can I score well, and am I prepared enough? So this is, let me tell you, this is normal. Doubting is normal, but quitting is not. So success doesn't come in one night, and even one extra hour and one revision and one extra solved papers if you attempt can change your results. And most important thing, you have to keep it in mind that don't compare yourself with your friends or any one of your classmates, because here every student is different. Every student have different capability of remembering the things, understanding the things, memorizing the matter, memorizing the concepts, and writing pattern and writing in the exam hall is different. So don't compare yourself with your friend or any one of your classmates. Just compare yourself with you who was yesterday. What was your mark yesterday and how you are going to perform tomorrow? So that makes the difference. So be confident while entering into the exam hall, and the same confident you come out of that your exam hall. For that you need nice revision and attempting solving extra previous year papers. Okay, so I hope you will be doing fine. So with this, I wish you all the best. Success is yours. Thank you.